What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here with PDR of Georgia. Today we're going to be doing a repair on this 2020 Aston Martin DB11. So apparently this must be a common area for Aston Martins to get damaged. This is the second or third time we've had to repair a dent in this exact same location. It looks like something flew up off the road, hit the front part of the hood right there under that headlight. It actually scuffed it, which we wet sanded and buffed most of that off, but there were a couple of little chips in the paint that were going to need to be touched up after we perform our paintless dent repair. So what we're going to do is pop the hood, get access to the back side of the metal, and then we'll get our camera set up and start shaping it back out, and then that way you can actually see the repair taking place. So we've got our PDR light set up. This is going to give you a really good bird's eye view of the damage. This light actually really shows us some detail when we're performing the repair. What we're going to do is untuck the hood insulator. There's a little slot right there where it tucks in the corner. That's going to be a perfect area to get our tool, which is a whale tail in this instance. It's designed to get into really tight fitting areas where there's not a lot of maneuverability with other PDR tools. So we have that on the back side of the panel. This actually, this panel is made of aluminum, so it did take a little bit longer to reshape. That's why we have the camera sped up. But as you can tell, we were reshaping it from the inside until we were able to get the metal completely smooth all the way back out as if there was never a dent there, and now we just have those little chips that we have to contend with. So overall, the repair turned out great. This was a perfect candidate for a paintless dent repair. You can see we put a little bit of touch-up paint on those chips, but it preserved the overall paint on the hood from having to get completely redone. Thanks for taking the time to check out this video. If you'd like to reach out to us for a repair, we'd love to talk to you, answer any questions you may have. You can always find us at dentrepairgeorgia.com, or you can give us a call at 678-544-3004.